Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about new topic of organic compound, that is nitrogen containing compounds. Nitrogen containing compound. Nitrogen is known to you that its symbol is N, atomic number is 7, mass is 14 for normal isotope. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. It is 15th group element present in p block, 15th group or 5th A group element. It is trivalent. Nitrogen in ammonia is known to us that it has pyramidal geometry with one lone pair of electron and 3 bonding pair of electron. Nitrogen is most important element in case of organic compound. Most of the biologically important compound contains nitrogen. It is the major component of protein. In this topic we have to discuss 3 different compounds of the nitrogen. In that, first one is nitroalkane. Nitroalkane are the compounds which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom of an alkane by same number of nitro group. Nitro group is this, N double bond O. This type of group is known as nitro group. Mononitro alkane can be represented by the formula R N double bond O, single bond O, or they can be represented by RNO2. So nitroalkane are the compounds obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of an alkane by one nitro group. The compounds can be represented by this formula, and on the basis of nature of the carbon to which nitro group is attached, these compounds are divided into following 3 classes. As number 1, primary nitroalkane. They are represented by the formula RCH2NO2. Means nitroalkane in which nitro group is attached to primary carbon are known as primary nitroalkane. Example: nitromethane, nitroethane are the example of primary nitroalkane. Second one is secondary nitroalkanes. They are represented by the formula RCHR-NO2, where R and R dash may be two same or different alkyl groups. So here NO2 is attached to secondary carbon. This is representative formula for secondary nitroalkane. And example: CH3, CH, CH3, NO2. 2-nitropropane is an example of secondary nitroalkane. 2-nitrobutane, 2-nitropentane are the another examples of secondary nitroalkane. After this, third class of nitroalkane is tertiary nitroalkane. In this, nitro group is attached to tertiary carbon, and such compounds are represented by the formula. If this big carbon become tertiary, then it must be attached to 3 same or different alkyl groups. So this is representative formula of tertiary nitroalkane. An example of tertiary nitroalkane is CH3, 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 NO2. This compound is known as 2-methyl-2-nitropropane because longest chain is of 3 carbon, propane, second carbon carries methyl, second carbon carries also nitro group. M has higher priority than N, so name is 2-methyl-2-nitropropane is an example of tertiary nitroalkane. So nitroalkanes may be of 3 types. Primary nitroalkane RCH2 NO2. Secondary nitroalkane RCH R dash NO2, and tertiary nitroalkane RC R dash R double dash NO2. Example: nitromethane, nitroethane, 2-nitropropane, 2-methyl-2-nitropropane are the examples of primary, secondary, tertiary nitroalkane respectively. Now these nitroalkanes are the functional group of alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite are the compound having formula N, having formula O, N double bond O. Means both have one alkyl group, one nitrogen and 2 oxygen. So these compounds are known as nitroalkanes and these compounds are known as alkyl nitrite. As per our syllabus is concerned, we have to discuss properties, preparation of nitroalkanes. But we must have to remember that nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrite are the functional group isomers of each other. Now these compounds are named only by IUPAC name and these compounds named only by common names. Means nitroalkanes have no common name and alkyl nitrites have no IUPAC name. So for naming nitroalkanes, we have to select the longest continuous chain of carbon containing NO2 carrying carbon and numbering is started from that end which is nearer to NO2 carrying carbon. For example, this type of compound, here NO2 is present here, then your longest chain is of 4 carbon atoms, so parent alkane is butane, and second carbon of that butane carries NO2 group. So IUPAC name of this compound is 2-nitrobutane. Similarly, nomenclature of another example can be done. You go through the textbook and answer questions of nomenclature. After this, we are going to discuss about method of preparation of nitroalkanes. First method is by nitration of alkane, means the compound aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon, that are the alkanes, when heated with concentrated nitric acid HNO3, that can be written like that, HONO2. On heating, here H and OH gets eliminated as H2O and we get RNO2, the nitroalkane. the reaction is known as nitration of alkane. So the first method is to obtain nitroalkane by nitration of alkane. In this reaction, alkane is heated with concentrated nitric acid at about 423 to 698 Kelvin, and we get 423 to 698 Kelvin, and we get the compound nitroalkane. This method is known as gas phase nitration. At high temperature we are bringing about this reaction, and due to high temperature cracking also occur. If we take higher alkane, we get varieties of product. For example, if we take ethane, we'll get nitroethane, no doubt, HNO3. Above condition, we'll get C2H5, NO2 plus S2O. But when we take propane, then varieties of product we get. In that, 2-nitropropane, then 1-nitropropane, then this bond gets broken and we get mixture of nitroethane and nitromethane. So question will be asked when how many different nitroalkane gets formed when propane is heated with concentrated nitric acid. So we can say that 4 different nitroalkanes will be formed: 2-nitropropane, 1-nitropropane, nitroethane, nitromethane. Which will be the major product? It is known to us that in substitution reaction, secondary hydrogen are more reactive than primary ammonia. So instead of getting these another product, major product will be the 2-nitropropane. Here these product will be in very less amount because carbon-carbon bond breaking occurs. So this is one method known as gas phase nitration. This reaction involves only mononitrated product formation. Another nitration method is liquid phase nitration. In that, alkanes are heated with concentrated nitric acid at somewhat low temperature but under pressure. Means we are heating the reaction mixture under pressure. Then alkane gets converted into nitroalkane. This reaction occurs in liquid phase. Therefore, the method is known as liquid phase nitration. And in liquid phase, polynitration may occur. Means major difference between liquid phase nitration and gas phase nitration is that in gas phase nitration, mononitration occur, only nitroalkane we get, and in liquid phase nitration, polynitration take place and we get dinitro, trinitro alkanes. So this is about first method of preparation of nitroalkane. Thank you.